Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today we are going to talk about an annoying issue that FC25 users are facing while playing the game. According to multiple reports from users, whenever they playing division rival match, error message appear that reads your opponent has left the match. And if you landed on this video, then it's possible that you are also facing the same issue. Well, you are not alone. EA forum is full of threads where users reporting the same issue. Majority of users reporting this issue were playing the game on PS5, PS4 and PC. As of now, there is no statement from officials on this issue. Talking about the fix, it seems like a bug from company end, so I don't think workaround circulating on the web helps in fixing the issue. One user reported that changing the matchmaking type from solo only to any and vice versa fixes the issue. So you should give it a try and let me know in the comments if this fixes the issue. Also contact EA support for better assistance and update on this issue. I hope that EA will soon fix this bug. In the meantime, if you are aware of any other solution that helps in fixing the issue, then feel free to share in the comments as this will help other affected gamers. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Thanks for watching.